Hello, today I will share how to create a simple yet atmospheric Chinese style painting. Take a medium-sized watercolor brush. If you have experience with watercolors, painting straight lines should not be too difficult. First, use straight lines to draw a small thatched cottage. You can refer to this sketch and take your time. Once done, add color to the roof. Then, use the brush tip to outline the thatch on the roof. Simple, right? Next, draw a city figure. The person doesn't need to be realistic. Just use the light to convey a posture. Add a few books next to him. Finally, let's place them in a serene bamboo forest setting. Draw a few curved lines for bamboo branches. Add the bamboo leaves. Take your time and complete it patiently. Then sketch stones with lines. Use a mix of a little green and black to color the stones. At this stage, you will notice the quiet colors in Chinese painting. You will see many earthy, muted tones. Vibrant colors are used sparingly, like accents. Just think of Chinese painting colors as a cup of tea. They aim to create a specific mood rather than dazzle the eyes. And there you have it. A small painting is complete. Follow me for more interesting stories about ancient Chinese paintings. Take out your watercolors and give it a try.